Park on a clear level surface, apply the handbrake. You'll need to get out and remove the transport safety rope. Once that's done, you can lower the decks to the ground, then lift them back up into the quick lift position before turning the tractor off. Ensure that everything's safe before getting out of the tractor. I'm going to take you through the process of adjusting the height on this SR Pegasus. I'm going to go around and loosen off all the clamp bolts on the side channels. I like to start from the inner front corner and work my way around. I just find it a lot simpler to follow the process. Once I'm around, I've gone all around undoing the clamp bolts, I'm going to use an extension. I've got a nice 600mm extension there, again with the 24 socket and the power bar. And I'm going to work my way back around, making my adjustment on the adjusted bolts here. And then I will work my way back around, doing the clamp bolts back up so that they're secure. So we're going to loosen off the clamp bolts on the side channels. So we're going to start with a 24mm socket and power bar. We're going to adjust the height on the adjuster rods. Clockwise increases the height, anti-clockwise reduces the height. I like to use a 600mm or 2-foot extension and count my turns to make sure I keep track of my height adjustment. I've just gone 15 turns, which is 30mm of height adjustment, 2mm per revolution. I can double check this on the scale. I can see it lines up with the notch that is 2 mils above the 100 mark, so I know I'm at 120mm. And then we're going to clamp the clamp bolt back up. And I can repeat this process throughout the machine. So now we want to lower the cut height at the caster, so we need to bring this caster up. Each of these holes in the stems are 20mm apart, and each of the holes in the collar are 10 mils apart. The cut height increments are detailed on the decal, and there's two positions that this pin can go in. It can go through in this top level or the bottom level, which is 10mm lower. So you can count the number of holes, take note of which position the pin is in as per the decal, and you can put the pin in the correct position according to the decal. Most of the time we're making smaller increments, so if we want to go a 20mm increment, we can pull the pin out, move it up one entire hole and put the pin back in. If we want to go a 10mm increment, we need to pull the pin out, rotate it 90 degrees and go down a half a hole. So we can repeat that process now on the other wheels and the dummy stems at the front of the rear deck.